Hi guys, it's Jeff Vlogs again. So for today's video, we're going to make a coffee jelly. As you can see guys, may nagawa na po akong coffee jelly. So ang ginawa ko lang po is nag-boiled ako ng water. Then after that, nilagay ko yung plain gulaman. Then the powdered coffee. Then after that guys, nilagay ko lang siya sa pitch since wala kaming mixing bowl. Then ang ginamit ko nga gatas guys is the Alaska, which is the cream asada. Then after that, nilagay ko lang siya sa coffee jelly ko. So, after that guys, hinalo-halo ko lang siya. Ayan. So, inubos ko na lang yung isang gatas, which is the Alaska cream asada. Then, yan, hinalo-halo ko lang po. Then, after that guys, nag-prepare po ako ng 4 pieces, which is the empty Tupperware. So, yan lang po guys. Then, makikita nyo ang result guys. Yan lang po. Bye-bye!